Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another deep dive into the latest earnings reports of major tech companies. Today, we're focusing on Arista Networks, or ANET, a leader in cloud networking solutions that is making big waves in AI-driven infrastructure. If you're following the latest trends in cloud computing, data centers, and AI-powered networking, this episode is a must-watch. Let's start with the numbers. In its latest earnings report, Arista Networks posted total revenue of $1.6 billion, representing an 18% year-over-year growth. This strong performance was largely driven by increased demand for high-performance cloud networking solutions, particularly from hyperscale data center operators. Net income came in at $450 million, reflecting a solid 28% profit margin, a testament to Arista's strong operational efficiency. Meanwhile, its gross margin remained stable at 60%, despite rising component cost and supply chain fluctuations. Source: Arista Networks Q4 Earnings Report, January 2025. One of the biggest growth drivers for Arista Networks has been the rapid expansion of AI workloads and cloud computing demand. As AI models become increasingly complex, cloud providers are investing heavily in high-speed, low-latency networking solutions, and Arista is positioned at the center of this transformation. In particular, Arista's partnerships with Microsoft Azure, Meta, and Google Cloud have significantly contributed to its revenue growth. These tech giants are expanding their data center capabilities, and Arista's cutting-edge 400G and 800G networking solutions are playing a crucial role in powering AI-driven workloads. CEO Jay Shriel has emphasized that Arista's AI-driven networking solutions will continue to be a major growth driver, particularly as enterprises shift towards cloud-based and hybrid infrastructures. Let's take a closer look at how Arista's key business segments performed. Cloud Titan customers. Arista's revenue from cloud providers like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google saw a 25% year-over-year increase as these companies scale up their AI and cloud computing infrastructure. Enterprise networking. The enterprise segment, which includes financial services, healthcare, and tech companies, grew by 15%, reflecting strong demand for next-generation networking solutions as businesses continue their digital transformation. Campus networking and security. While still a smaller segment, Arista's push into campus networking and security solutions is gaining traction, particularly with large-scale corporate clients adopting zero-trust security architectures. Despite its strong financial performance, Arista Networks faces several key challenges. Intensifying competition. The networking space is highly competitive, with companies like Cisco, Juniper Networks, and NVIDIA, which is moving into AI-driven networking, posing significant threats. Supply chain and cost pressures. While Arista has managed to maintain strong margins, component shortages and increasing costs remain a concern. Global economic uncertainty. With rising interest rates and potential slowdowns in tech spending, demand for data center and networking infrastructure could fluctuate. Looking ahead, Arista is doubling down on AI-driven networking solutions, high-speed Ethernet innovations, and software-defined networking (SDN) to maintain its leadership position. The company is also expanding its portfolio with next-generation 800G Ethernet solutions, which will be critical in supporting AI supercomputers and large-scale data centers. Analysts predict that Arista's revenue could continue growing at a 15–20% annual rate, fueled by increasing AI adoption and cloud infrastructure investments. For long-term investors, Arista Networks presents an intriguing opportunity, especially for those bullish on the future of AI and cloud networking. However, monitoring its competitive positioning and margin trends will be key to assessing its long-term potential. So, what do you think about Arista Networks' latest earnings report? Are you optimistic about its future growth in AI-powered networking? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest tech stock analysis. See you in the next episode.